In the ever-evolving world of business, financial preparedness is no longer the question. Companies are now shifting towards embracing technology to tackle their everyday challenges. And if there's one thing that's certain, it's that the business world keeps spinning, regardless of whether you're ready or not. That's why we're here. Our mission is to make sure that you have the tools and resources to succeed in business. We do that by bringing you relevant and useful content that will help you keep moving forward no matter what. So join us and be part of a community that's always learning and growing together. Building a solid business credit profile is fundamental for any company's growth. It enables you to secure funding, bolster your financial stability, and unlock lucrative opportunities. But the road to establishing a stellar credit profile isn't a smooth one. It's fraught with potential pitfalls that can hinder your progress if you aren't prepared. This chapter will guide you through common mistakes that can derail your efforts and reveal strategies to steer clear of them. These mistakes range from overlooking crucial details like business registration to neglecting vital aspects of credit management. Each misstep we discuss holds the potential to undermine your creditworthiness if left unchecked. But don't worry, we're here to shine a light on these potential pitfalls so you can avoid them. From failing to separate your business finances to ignoring regular credit report checks, we'll cover all the bases. ULL, learn how to protect your business from late payment penalties and how to avoid overly diluting your credit profile by the end of this chapter. You'll have a clear roadmap to creating a thriving business credit profile that supports your long-term success. The first mistake to avoid is failing to incorporate your business. This oversight can lead to severe consequences for your business credit. When you don't incorporate your business, you expose your personal assets to business liabilities. This lack of separation can result in a personal guarantee being required on any business credit applications. Personal guarantees put your personal assets, such as your home or personal savings, at risk if your business defaults on its debts. This situation can quickly erode your business creditworthiness and make lenders hesitant to extend credit. To prevent this, ensure that you legally incorporate your business as an LLC or a corporation. This step not only protects your personal assets, but also establishes a distinct entity for your business, allowing it to build its own credit profile independently. Next, be wary of mixing your personal and business finances. Maintaining separate bank accounts for personal and business transactions is crucial for building a healthy business credit profile. If you commingle funds, you blur the line between your business and personal finances, making it difficult for lenders to assess your business creditworthiness. This lack of clarity can lead to declined applications and missed opportunities for securing financing. To avoid this pitfall, open a business bank account separate from your personal accounts. This step allows you to track business income and expenses distinctly, providing a clear picture of your financial performance. It also demonstrates professionalism and credibility to lenders and business partners, enhancing your overall business credit profile. Another common mistake is not regularly checking your business credit report. Your business credit report is a detailed record of your business credit history, including payment patterns, outstanding debts, and credit utilization. Failing to monitor this report can lead to inaccurate information that negatively impacts your credit score. Without regular checks, you might miss crucial details like incorrect account balances or unauthorized accounts, which can harm your creditworthiness. To avoid this, access your business credit report at least once a year from major credit bureaus like Dun&Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can promptly address any errors or signs of fraud, safeguarding your business credit profile and financial well-being. Furthermore, missing payments can severely damage your business credit profile. Late or missed payments send a signal to lenders that you may not be reliable in repaying your debts. These delinquencies can lead to higher interest rates, decreased credit limits, and even account closures. To prevent such damage, establish a system for tracking payment deadlines and consider using autopay or setting calendar reminders. By making timely payments, you demonstrate financial responsibility, which is crucial for maintaining a strong business credit profile and securing favorable credit terms in the future. Lastly, avoiding too many credit inquiries is essential for preserving your business credit score. Applying for multiple lines of credit in a short period can trigger a hard inquiry on your credit report, potentially lowering your credit score. Lenders view multiple hard inquiries as an indicator of heightened risk, since it suggests that you might be in financial distress or rapidly expanding your operations. To avoid this damaging your business credit, space out your credit applications strategically and only seek credit when you genuinely need it. Managing your credit inquiries effectively ensures that your business credit remains strong and attractive to lenders, allowing you to secure optimal financing terms for your ventures. By recognizing and avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to building a robust and trustworthy business credit profile. As you navigate the path to financial success, remember that consistency, diligence, and transparency are your greatest allies. In the following chapters, we will continue to equip you with the tools and knowledge to refine your business credit profile, ensuring that your journey toward financial prosperity remains steady and secure. Stay tuned and keep moving forward. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.